Hi guys, I'm going to show you this Canon EOS 5D Mark II that I have when I clear it off. So this is the 5d2 03 unit, just for identification. So this is the front, the bottom, the top, the back, CF card slots. Here it is. Oh, one side is missing, sorry. But yeah, it works so when I turn it on. Okay. Yeah, alright, so it works. Anything, please feel free to reach out. And yeah, when I close it, you can hear the sound. So that's another thing that it's a bit odd with this unit. That when I off it, alright, there's some sound, but it works. So you know, if you like this, please feel free to reach out, and I can sell it to you. And if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And see you guys soon. Bye. God bless. Oh yeah, and the battery compartment is a bit tight, so yeah, need to peel it off. It's quite tight. You need to sand the sides a bit or something, I'm not sure, but it's a bit tight. You need to sand the sides a bit. Yeah, sorry for the condition of this, but it works out, so you know, see if it's okay for you guys. Alright, thank you everyone, bye, God bless.